Hey everybody, I'm here today to answer the simple question of, should you get a Rubbermaid power scrubber? And I'll be giving you an honest answer, so let's get right into the specific video. What I have here is my Rubbermaid power scrubber. I got this recently as one of my Christmas gifts from my wife, and I started using it a little bit and I absolutely love it. So I figured that I would give you a little bit of a perspective of my perspective on this by answering the question of whether or not I think you should get this. The truth of the matter, in my honest opinion, and this is just my own opinion, the truth of the matter, in my opinion, is that if you're looking for something to help you clean things up, okay, and you don't want to put in that elbow grease and you want it to be small enough to get into nice tight crevices, and you're not looking to clean anything massive, but you're looking to clean smaller areas, this is definitely something that you should consider. There are obviously bigger things that help with cleaning that can clean bigger areas faster, but those things oftentimes will cost more, will take up more space for storing them away, will use more space, will use more power, and so on and so forth. So they take up more resources overall. Whereas something like this is something small. So if you're looking for something that's going to help you clean small spaces, small areas, or just small amounts of stuff, this is definitely something you should consider. Excuse me, I apologize about that. I'm having a little bit of, I don't know if it's indigestion, because I didn't even eat breakfast this morning. I've just had some coffee, but the coffee's sort of coming up. So excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm doing my best. But yeah, excuse me. Anyways, we are moving on. Basically, it's got batteries, so you don't have to worry about charging it. You can use it until the batteries go and then replace the batteries to keep on using it, or you can use it for a bit, store it away, and then use it again, and the battery should hopefully still work after you've stored it away. So, it's really easy to just pick up, use, and put down and put away without worrying about it. It's got literally one button to turn it on and off. There's on, and there's off. Really, really easy. And it's got these bristles here, and they're pretty hard. They're pretty aggressive, these bristles. So they're going to do a great job at, getting rid of things that you want to clean up. And obviously, because they're hard bristles, I do recommend using it in a small, non-visible area first, testing it out to see if it's going to, affect the finish of whatever you're cleaning. And then if it looks okay and the finish is not affected, then you can go ahead and use it and go crazy with it and use it to clean up all sorts of stuff on that specific material. So just use it in a small, non-visible space first, because the bristles are pretty hard. But that also has an upside. So the bristles are pretty hard, so you should, test it out in a small area first that you can't really see because they're hard. But also on the flip side of that, because the bristles are hard, it's going to do a great job at cleaning things up really, really quickly and effectively. Okay? Very, very simple. I used this recently in my basement kitchen. There was some paint splatters on the floor, just because I think the old owners, when they renovated the basement kitchen before my wife and I had bought the house, before we bought the house and moved in, and so on and so forth, the old owners had renovated the basement kitchen, and obviously, whether they painted it themselves or they hired someone, there's just a little bit of splatter on the basement tiles. So I used this to clean up a little bit of that paint splatter on the basement tiles in the basement kitchen, and I just used it in a small area first, because I was like, let me see if it's going to affect the finish of the tiles, and from what I saw so far, it did not affect the finish of the tiles. Now, does that mean it's gonna, be good with every tile on earth and it's not gonna affect the finish of every tile? No, but the tile that I used it on, from what I saw so far, looked completely unaffected. It cleaned the paint splatter and it did not affect the finish of the tile from what I had seen, okay? So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna use it on more of the tiled area now that I know that it's doing its job properly there, and the tiles are unaffected with regards to their finish, and I'm gonna clean up hopefully all of the paint splatter there over a longer period of time. But it's great. It's so easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use it on all sorts of areas around my house. Some ideas that I have are I'm going to use it on the grout lines, okay? The basement tiles, like I said, the basement tiles in the basement kitchen, like I said before. I'm going to use it on the laundry tub because there's lots of small crevices, and that laundry tub is plastic, so it's like the laundry tub material. So I'm going to use this to clean up all the small crevices, around the faucet there and in the corners and stuff. And I'm just really excited to use it more and more and more. So yeah, yeah, should you get one of these? If you're looking for something that you could just, it's easy to use, it's really affordable. The price point of it is great. I don't know how much my wife paid, to be honest with you. I don't know how much it costs, but like when you look at it, like you just look and you know it's not going to be that expensive, right? So like I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to assume that the price point of it is really where it should be and very affordable. I'm just going to make that assumption. But anyways, yeah, it's a great thing. And should you get it, if you're looking for something that you can, you know, pick up, use, put away, and not really worry about for the most part, that can do a good job at cleaning smaller areas or smaller stuff to clean up, this is definitely something you should absolutely consider. And yeah, I was really excited to get this as a gift. I was really excited to start using it, and I'm really excited to continue using it as well. But that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you enjoyed my opinion and the information that I gave you, and hopefully found it a little bit entertaining as well. And that's it. I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.